If your toilet keeps running or not flushing right, a loose or damaged flush valve is probably the culprit you gotta fix. So, here's the deal with flush valves. First, turn off the water supply to your toilet. Super important, so you don't get soaked. Next, flush the toilet to drain most of the water from the tank. If the flush valve looks loose, try tightening the nut at the base by hand or with a wrench, but don't crank it too hard because you can crack the porcelain. If it's damaged or cracked, you're going to need to replace it, which usually means getting a new flush valve kit from the hardware store. When installing the new one, make sure the flapper seals snugly over the valve opening. That's what controls the flush water flow. After putting everything back, turn the water on slowly and check for leaks or running water. If it still runs or won't flush properly, sometimes the chain connecting the handle to the flapper is either too tight or too loose, so adjust that next. Remember, a well-functioning flush valve saves water and stops annoying noises. One of the biggest mistakes with flush valves is over-tightening that nut, which can crack the tank. Always tighten gently and test before going further. Another common issue is using a cheap or wrong-sized replacement flush valve that doesn't seal well. Always get one that matches your toilet model or brand for a perfect fit. The third problem is ignoring the flapper chain length. Too short and it keeps flapper open. Too long and it won't lift properly. Adjusting that little chain can stop running toilets in no time. Fix these and you'll save water, reduce bills, and avoid constant toilet headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the stress and guessing games. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you get real work from people ready to fix stuff around their homes.